My name's Kate here, and yeah. Let's play some camping. Camping. Sneak up on guys. I'm gonna go kill him. If I even can. Oh God, don't fall into the fire, please.
Here's a fishing net. Hello.
It's like it's wet. It's on the back right there. Oh, it's okay.
Well, wait, are you videoing?
Yes.
There. He's putting you on video. Okay. I want to say hi.
We should go fishing.
I want to say hi and tell them hi.
I'm gonna go fishing.
You guys should be friends. I'm gonna go fishing.
Let's go pooping.
You ready?
What is under there?
Unlocked.
I guess it's his sister. I guess.
No. No.
I don't know what the fuck you're doing.
I'm keeping my blanket on. See if your grandma wants to go.
No, I don't. Put your face in it.
How are you gonna catch fish? Only a net.
I know. That's not gonna work.
David,
What?
where are you?
Internet. I need internet.
Guess what?
That's all Pokemon Go is.
You're
It's
a
just
fish.
bad internet.
You're fish.
No!
Every time it doesn't even work.
I'm going fishing again. Ow!
Yeah. We could have used that because I had five fish.
Okay, escape.
And finally, after
Why
I
are we
pulled
talking
and
like
pulling,
this?
they all broke and took my out.
Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like or maybe comment. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Bye. And